Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how ads run on a Facebook page, a full guide. First, you need to establish clear campaign objectives, whether it is for brand awareness or lead generation. Then, precisely define your target audience using demographics, interests, and behaviors. Consider starting with a daily budget of perhaps $10 to $25 for a test period of 7 to 14 days to gather initial data. This careful planning ensures your ads start effectively. Next, focus on your ad creative, which is crucial for engagement. Use high-quality images or short, dynamic videos that immediately grab your audience's attention. Your ad copy should be clear, concise, and offer a strong call to action, encouraging viewers to click or learn more. Remember to tailor your creative for different placements, such as the Facebook feed, Instagram, or audience network, optimizing for each unique format. This helps maximize your ad's impact. Mastering audience targeting allows you to reach very specific groups. Create custom audiences from people who have interacted with your website or your existing customer lists. Additionally, generate lookalike audiences, finding new people who share characteristics with your best customers. Regularly check your ad's relevance score and cost per result. These metrics offer valuable insights. Adjusting your targeting weekly can significantly enhance your ad's efficiency and overall campaign success. Finally, consistent analysis of your ad performance is paramount for long-term success. Pay close attention to your click-through rate, cost per result, and conversion rate to gauge effectiveness. The Ads Manager provides detailed reports, offering insights into what is working and what is not. If a campaign is performing well, consider gradually increasing its budget by perhaps 10 to 15% every few days. This data-driven approach ensures continuous improvement and a higher return on ad spend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.